Hello, everybody, and happy Tuesday. You know what day it is, right? It's Mortgage Tip Tuesday. That's right. Another Tuesday, another tip with It's Your Girl. Hashtag JLoan in the building. I hope you're having a fantastic start to your work week. And of course, I want to come to you with some news and help you in this market and see if there's anything that I can do to help you through your home journey. But before we get into that, I did look up today to see, hey, what's significant about today? And there really wasn't much. And since it's October, I really haven't had a chance to really take the time. We all know that October stands for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And so if you have it in your heart to donate or help someone who's going through this or has gone through this, one thing I know is that any type of cancer causes not only stress on a family, but financial stress on a family. So if you can donate or find something to do for anyone going through this right now, please, in your heart, just do something great for them or donate to a great cause. Not just this month, but every month, because it doesn't just affect this month, okay? So to all my ladies out there that have been and are survivors, God bless you. And the ones that are going through this now, keep the fight. I believe in you, and hopefully you believe in yourself. No matter how bad it may look, just keep fighting, okay? Now I want to get into the mortgage tip Tuesday, because that's what this is really all about, right? And the big question that I keep getting right now is, should I buy now? You know, people want my advice on, you know, should I buy? What should I do? And I'm just gonna have a real conversation as if you were standing in front of me in my office and you asked me this question. And here's what I'm gonna say. In 2020 and 2021, what I saw, I predominantly help your first-time home buyer looking to get into a home, maybe using some grants, don't have a lot or a ton of assets. That's my primary borrower. And what I saw for them is that they didn't have the funds to offer over asking price. They didn't have the money to close on a loan, and sellers were giving them nothing. So homes were selling over asking price. It was a seller's market, which means they weren't giving you nothing, jack, nothing. And so what happened is a lot of my borrowers were putting 10, 15 offers on a property to get none accepted. As well, they weren't accepting FHA offers or VA offers over your cash buyer or your conventional buyer. And so I saw a lot of my borrowers get out of purchasing a home because they were exhausted, or their lease was expiring, or they didn't have the money to close on the loan, and the grant just wasn't enough money. And what I'm seeing today, now granted, yes, rates are higher, and maybe this market isn't for everyone, but I'm gonna direct this to my first-time home buyers because that's who I predominantly help. This is the best market for you to buy in, because what I'm seeing now is that homes are staying on the market longer. I see contracts coming in with closing cost concessions from the seller. I am seeing sellers pay title policy again. I am seeing sellers come off their sales price as well. Okay, so yes, rates are higher, but you have to think, can you afford this home? Because I can't tell you when, and there is never a guarantee that you can refinance, but if you can, and rates do go down, you've already started at the highest point. It can only get better from here, right? And so That would be really my advice. It's a less competitive market right now. And if you wait, all the others who are waiting and maybe have more money to offer over asking prices and are waiting for the market or rates to drop, when they do and if they do, you are going to put yourself back into a competitive market where it will be hard for you to compete unless you got all your little duckies in a row. It's going to be hard. So yes, I understand. I've been in the business since 2006. Rates were 8 and 9%. I know we're spoiled with low interest rates, but it should not stop you from paying 100% rent, okay? So there are still programs out there that can help you, but you still gotta have some of your own money to help you purchase a home. But I guarantee you that maybe not your first offer, but maybe your second or your third offer, there is an eager seller out there right now who has had their home on the market for 30 to 45 days and they're just waiting for you to come put an offer on their home. So if that provides any little bit of hope or advice on whether you should or you shouldn't, anything to me is better than renting. But I do understand that buying a home is a big financial responsibility that should not be taken lightly. So I do want you to buy a home, but it has to be timing. The timing has to be right for you. So if you have any questions, if you want to just see if you qualify for any grants out there, and just see if we can get you with a realtor that's going to understand your family story and really want to help you. So if you just need that consultation call, I'm always open and would love to speak with you. I give my number out. It's not like you can't find me, but here it is again, okay? 817-601-5456. As always, I want you to have a fantastic, blessed week. I want you to remain safe. And until next Tuesday, I hope you have a great rest of your week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.